Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time and location. My name is Wingwe Chibuzo. In our last video, we talked about how to make $2 daily doing micro tasks online, and I promised to show you various platforms where you can earn doing micro tasks, and I gave you sproutgig as number one in our list. On today's video, I'm going to show you list of categories of tasks that can that is very easy and that can earn you good money on Sproutgig. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's go through some of them. We have the best this in categories: video marketing, SEO plus promote content and engage, sign up, TikTok short and reels, Twitter micro influencer, Telegram and qualification. So let's go to Sproutgig. Let's show you how you can do this task there. Okay, this is my Sproutgig. Uh-huh. It's loading. Okay. Okay, this is a categories. Okay, before we go to that categories, I want you to understand this first one here. This job, how did I get to this place? You go to this place, you click micro job, you click find job, and it will take you to this place, and this is where you get your job that you're going to do. Before we go down, we have list of work here without any category being selected. But if you want to select the one you're going to do, you have to filter it here. This is a filter. The work of all these things, the filter work, they give you the kind of job that you can perform. If you know the kind of job which you can perform, you filter them here. This level, this is starter, advanced, and expert. These people have, there is some job that are meant for starters, and there is some job that are meant for advanced, and there is some job that are meant for experts. A starter cannot do job that meant for an expert, because experts their own have high payment on their own. They are highly paid on their own jobs. Some of the expert jobs that is being done here. So as an starter, you cannot do such job. So that's it. So here you select starter. Okay. As a starter, you select starter. Okay. You select categories. You come here, see the best categories we have in this place. You have sign up. It's a very good category. You can do some of the job there is very good. Video marketing, this is my best category because it's very easy. Okay, I don't like stressing so much. It's very easy. This video marketing, TikTok short reels and Facebook influencer. And this qualification, I will shed more light on this qualification. Okay, so when you select any of these categories, when you select, let me say select this video category, you press apply. In this video categories, this time there is no jobs. There is no job. We have zero results on this video category. So let's go to another one. Let's check this TikTok categories. This one there's no work. Okay, let's go to sign up. Okay, okay, we have 85 results on sign up. We have so many works here. This one is going to pay you 0.14 dollars. All these are going to pay you very high. This is a very good job. When you do all this job, you're going to earn a good money from Sproutic instead of doing going to pay you much. So there is another. I'm going to tell you more about this qualification now. This qualification, when you select the categories, you see that there is no amount. The dollar. So this category is some people might be asking, why would I do a job that's going to give me? So you're not doing a job here. You are just signing up to join the list of the job, so that when this job will come up, they will take you. And also doing this, you are helping to reduce your time interval. Okay, so this is the main thing. That's why I do this qualification. It will help you to reduce your time interval. Your time interval here, when it increase, when you do this kind of jobs, it's very simple. Just some of your little information, just key them there and submit it. So it will help you to reduce your time interval so that you will be able to withdraw faster. When you get to dollar, that's the minimum amount you can withdraw from Sproutgig. So, but if you get to $5 and your time interval is still high, you cannot withdraw. So this time interval must be zero before you can withdraw from Sproutgig. So that's why you have to do this kind of job. This qualification, they're not going to pay you anything, but you're gonna get your time interval being reduced, and that's the main important thing you're going to get from this kind of job. Okay, so this is all for this job categories on Sproggy. In our next video, I will show you do this type of task. These tasks that have $1, $1.2, $1.2, $1.2, $1. All this a task here, you are going to pass a human verification. So if you didn't pass the human verification, you cannot be able to access the website to perform the task that you're supposed to perform. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this type of job. If this job is really going to work, I have two ways we are going to use to tackle it. So just pin and watch, wait for the next video.